So if you see these mealybugs on your tree, immediately remove it. Right there. That's what it looks like. They're little bugs, and then when they will crawl around too, and then when they mature, become adult, they become little white, little teeny tiny flies. And then what happened too is that they will also leave this black thing here on the branch. You see that black substance, sticky substance on the branch and the leaves of your trees. So when see right there. Let me see. Oh, okay. So they'll become, when they adult, they become little white flies, little teeny tiny flies flying around, and they go find their next trees to land on and lay eggs. So you never want to leave it on the fruit like that, which I did here was a mistake. Basically, I want to test to see if the squirrels and the rats will go after it at all. So that's the reason why I left it up there. And between, well, I was trying to see which is the bigger evil. Either, you know, have these black, annoying, sticky substance on the leaves, or losing the fruits. And basically, I think it's better to just remove, even though the fruits is there, it's better to just remove those bugs. Okay, and then the ants, they are harvesting the gooey substance, the sweet substance from these bugs, the poop that these bugs lay. So the ants sort of like act as a protector of these bugs, and it's a mutual relationship between the two. Okay. If this fruit was a little bit small on the tree, I would just do this, right? So this way, you know, you put on a pair of gloves and you just do this. That's it. I'm just gonna rub it, smash the bugs, right? Immediately. This way, they're not gonna live. So you can also, some people, I guess I try also, you know, clean it with soap too. Like the best thing too is to get water and soap, and then loofah sponge is the best. Basically do the same thing, scrub it. So again, if this fruit was still small on the tree, that's what I would do. So what you want to also do is immediately, when you see this, kill it immediately. Okay, don't wait, because it will spread, and it will spread so fast. Because this was like on only one spot on the fruits. See, there's that bug. That's what the adult looks like. They just fly around. So this basically will spread so fast on the tree. See, they create this black sticky substance for the ants. So I just basically do this instead. It's easier. You just kill it immediately. You know, no need for soap or anything. Just rub against it like that. Okay, so I do this just to kill off those bugs, and I'll just basically wash it off with water afterward. So there is another variations of these mealybugs, which is those little black teeny tiny one too. So those will become an adult and they'll fly as well with wings. So what you want to also do is remove those immediately. And the one with the black color, they like to crawl on the young citrus leaves. So pay attention to those. When your citrus start to leaf out, remove those immediately. Okay, so I finished harvesting pretty much all the fruits on this tree, and basically I'm gonna start pruning afterward. So I'll do a video on how I will prune this tree. But anyway, I want to show the roots here. I will address these roots too while I do the pruning. But basically, you see how the soil here got up all the way over here, and then you can see the roots somewhat. There's gonna be a root that's crisscross, and this one goes that way, which is sitting on the root collar. And I'm just gonna basically remove it, but I'll do it when I prune this tree, because I was waiting for the to pluck off the leaves. So it should be a good time to do it sometime this week.